Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. We begin this evening with news from Portland, where residents of one community are worried they could be marooned if a piece of infrastructure is not addressed. Residents of Ginger House District say a retaining wall and the road are being eaten away months after earthquake kick-started the destruction. The details from Rashida Walker.
When the earthquake hit, that's a loose up and crap up.
A Portland resident giving his theory about the failing infrastructure in Ginger House District. For him, the fallen boulders and cracks in the road support his theory. He said he noted the deterioration after the earthquakes earlier this year. The frequent earth tremors coincided with months of intense rainfall, and that made the situation worse.
So the river come down now and come and swell for the big stone there, so, and you take out here, so. We shift a big stone and move, the whole road gone.
The situation has been gradually deteriorating for 6 months, and residents fear what the next 6 more months could look like for them.
That piece over there, so now. If this not do quick, the road not there, so. And another escape route not there because the back road there, so now. And an escape route to come down with it up there, so if you are so gone. And I like in the crossroad there, you have back road there, so. Where you could have drive back road and come up out of the bridge. It's a one way. But me don't know what I'm going to do with it.
He admits the community's infrastructure has received attention from their political representative. However, this situation is an emergency.
Miss Vaz, do this a little bit of road, yeah? And we appreciate him for what I do. I want no more sitting where I beg him now. So I can do and come fix the wall, yeah? Before the road went do, gone.
A metal drum, as well as a stick with a piece of caution tape attached, serve as warnings to commuters in the area. But residents fear those warning signs could soon disappear along with the rest of the structure if it isn't addressed soon. Portland's infrastructure has faced the brunt of the recent inclement weather. Last week, there was a breakaway in Bangor Ridge, a landslide along Coopers Hill Road, while a tree capsized and damaged a house. Rashida Walker for TVJ News.